Just to give you a little backstory on why this festival is taking place, Lula is a city in Georgia in Hall County and Banks County. Um, Most of the city is in Hall County, with a small eastern portion of the city located in Banks County. The population was 2,758 in 2010. The Hall County portion of Lula is part of the Gainesville, Georgia Metropolitan Statistical Area. Lula is the home of Railroad Days, which is what this is. Railroad Days, it's a yearly festival held every May. Lula is the railroad junction between the Atlanta Northeast Line and the Athens North Line of Norfolk Southern Railway. A little history on it. The rail spur from Athens to Lula was completed in 1874 for the Northeastern Railroad. Civil engineer Joel Hurt and his brother Fletcher named the town in honor of Miss Lula Finizzi, later Mrs. Abner W. Cowan, whom they both admired. The Georgia General Assembly incorporated Lula as a town in 1905. Well, the market area here was really packed. In fact, we could barely even walk down the road, so we didn't hang out there very long. We went to move on and check out the train that was passing by. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. And be sure to like this video. Give me that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel and helps me look better with YouTube. So And if you haven't already, if you like this kind of stuff, normally it's mostly camping, but if you like camping videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any. And until next time, guys, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free. And we'll see you in the next trip. See you guys.